Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Bauer battery not charging, red light reset and voltage boost guide. Fix 1 is check the battery temperature. Remove the battery from the charger, then if it feels very hot, let it cool for 30 to 60 minutes. If it is very cold, bring it indoor and let it reach room temperature. Place it back on the charger and check if it starts charging. Second one is clean the battery and charger contact. Unplug the charger, wipe the metal contact on both the battery and charger with a dry microfiber cloth. Then remove any dust or dirt with a soft brush. Reinsert the battery and try charging again. Third one is reset the battery. Remove the battery from the charger, then press and hold the battery's power or indicator button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then wait 1 minute. Place the battery back on the charger and check the charging light. Fourth one is try a different charger. Use another compatible Bauer charger if available. Insert the battery into the second charger. If it charges normally, the original charger may be faulty. Fifth one is check the power source. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cord or damaged power strips. Verify the charger light turns on. Then try another outlet if necessary. Thanks for watching.